Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you don't want your packages left at your door. I feel you are basically scared of thieves and every other basically thing happening to them. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and actually see on how to use an Amazon locker in Amazon Shopping in 2026. We're gonna go through the details, check the options, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for the Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app if you are on Android or maybe iOS. So tap on the link, log in using your email address and password. Then open the items or just go and add the item to your cart. For example, I'm gonna go for gaming laptops. So I'm gonna go this one, add to cart for example. It will be added here. We're gonna go to cart by tapping on this. So during the process of checkout, tap delivery address, then select Amazon Locker. Choose a nearby locker location and place your order. Basically, as for some tips, you will receive a pickup code once the package arrives. Bring the code to the locker and collect your order before it expires. And that's it. Basically, that's the main idea. You can even go and try Prime Free, get fast free delivery on eligible items with a 30-day trial. You can try this one. So basically, as I told you, just go add to cart, then go to cart from here. Proceed to checkout, payments, and view the Amazon Locker option. Tap on it and accept it. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.